This video we are going to replace the old halogen indicators and install new LED indicators for a bike. So the stock one actually comes with the halogen. So it's a clear lens. As you could see, the lens also got faded. So I'm planning to install new 4 LED indicators. So which will be more power efficient and also it will be brighter than the halogen one. So we are going to change it at the rear and also at the front. So I got 4 LED indicators from the local market. This one actually costed me around 800. So little bit I got scammed. So I will just update you that one at the last. Okay. So yeah. So this one is actually a replica of the Duke 200 or RS 200's LED indicator, which comes with this type of clip. So talking about the size, this one is actually half the size of our stock halogen bulb. So to remove this rear indicators, you need to remove this bottom panel where you will be needing a plus screwdriver and a 10 mm T-rod. Using that you can just remove the bottom panel. So at the rear, this is the thing which is holding the indicator. You can just use a small minus screwdriver and pull it out. It will easily come out. So in terms of fitting this new LED indicator, the hole actually in the panel is way too big, so that the LED indicator is going in. So you need to make a washer. So metal washers would rust and it will not look good. So we need to make a plastic washer. So this is how it looks after the fitment. So I actually searched for a lot of plastic washer DIY things, but one thing caught my eyes is this PVC pipe, which I had already broken. So what I'm planning to do is I'm planning to hit this one, make it into a flat one, and cut the desired shape and fix it. So these PVC pipes are actually strong and durable. So that's the reason why I chose this as a washer. So this is how it will look. So what we need to do is we need to just make a small hole like this to accommodate the LED indicator inside. And we could put the nut at the back and tighten it up. So as for the front, it's the same situation here. So I have done the same washer over here. And in some indicators I got this small step. So this is to avoid turning of the indicator. So I provided a step like this. And this is how it looks after fixing the indicator. So I haven't painted the washers till now, and the LED indicator is more flexible so that it doesn't breaks off. And this is how it looks at the front. So I just made that same kind of washer over here and fixed it. And this is actually a 3 LED system setup so that it's brighter. And this is a side indicator which I mounted on the fairing. So for this actually I have to put a hole and link the wires. So this one actually water got into it and it stopped working. So I'm going to replace this one with the new same side indicator. This is the one which we got from a local market, and this one actually costed us around 250. So it is not that good of the quality, to be honest. The wires are not that strong. So what do you get with this set is the outer rubber which avoids scratching the plastic panel, and two nuts which you get for tightening it up. And this is the old one was a bit kind of matte finish, but the new one is actually a glossy one. And these are the two nuts which they gave us. So the main disadvantage in this indicator is any one of the wire would disconnect from the inner PCB, and from the sides actually water gets into it. So I would suggest you guys getting a 5 rupees very quick and sticking it on the side before fitting. And this is how it looks after fixing it in the bike. And this one is actually a 9 LED filament. So you might think it will be brighter, but it's not. For the price of 250, this is doing its job okay. So one more thing is you guys need to route the wires properly to avoid hitting on the silencer, so that it might melt, has happened to me previously. So I actually have also installed hazard for this vehicle, so it's costed around 300 for that one. So this is how it looks, but both the orange color won't be matching perfectly. So coming to the conclusion, this indicator is brighter than the old one, and also it's smaller and compact. It doesn't breaks. That's the reason why we are going to fix this. So thanks for watching the video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.